this is Room Answers. I'm Dr. Bookfear. I teach you how to control your joint pain so it doesn't control you. I'm here in Mammoth Lakes, California, and I'm on my mountain bike getting some trails in. This has me thinking about the most common type of arthritis, which is known as osteoarthritis. This is a wear and tear arthritis where as we use our joints and as we get older, we have less and less cartilage and our joints start to hurt. Now, I bet you know some people that have knee pain from this wear and tear osteoarthritis, and their knees hurt a lot. And maybe you have this, or maybe you want to prevent this or lessen it. One of the best ways to do this naturally is to actually get out on the bike. Now, the reason this is because our quadricep muscles are our shock absorbers for our knees. So the more you beef these bad boys up, the less knee pain you will have from your knee osteoarthritis. But remember, always wear a helmet. Safety first.